key challenges in South Africa with the healthcare is that it's not easy accessible. Not for everyone, not if you earn more than, what, 20, 25 grand to get a good medical aid, to be able to afford it. That's where I think it is.
The affordability of it. Yeah, that's like the main thing. I think as well, most of the healthcare facilities or healthcare providers that people can afford are not exactly they're not in the greatest conditions.
I actually put all my trust in a pharmacist. He knows his medication and you can tell him more or less what your problem is and they will be able to help you.
I don't think I do have the access to the doctors or the nurses that I need, because sometimes you get sick in the mid of the night. For you to call an ambulance, maybe you have to wait for 4 to 5 hours, which is an emergency. But if you call a private ambulance, they will come as soon as possible, which I can't afford to do so. So it's actually a major problem to me and a big challenge.
If the government tries to bring in more technology, advanced machines and techniques in public hospitals, I think that would be the way forward. Because in order for the whole country's medical health to improve, you have to start from the public hospitals.
The problem was transportation, where patients would miss their appointments, miss their surgical dates, the patient's conditions would get worse.
I'd like to see one of the major medical aid companies getting involved in going into the rural areas and offering healthcare at a lower cost for people who can't afford it.
With the status of how things are going right now, I feel there's a whole lot of work to be done. There's a whole lot of improvement, not just promises, but then we should see major improvement in all aspects of healthcare.
For me personally, I haven't had those exposure to the government hospital because I've always had a medical aid for so many years. I know it's accessible, but something has to happen in both respects, where medical aid is affordable and is able to be reached no matter what level you are in South Africa to actually get the proper healthcare system that you actually need.
Innovation and you. Philips.